Welcome everyone, welcome to the channel. So we have now audio adapter cable from USB-C to aux. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna quickly open it and then see what do we have and what is the quality of this cable. So I can open it like this. So okay, so we have open it just like that. So that's how it looks. This is from your Cedo and they make quality stuff, so this is very nice. So especially these are designed especially for your headphones and your earphones, and you can use it with the Type-C connector.